Yeah, so this is basically just a little dashboard for it's mainly for like to demonstrate kind of what monitor is doing, and also just because it's a little bit opaque. So basically, it's a monitor dash dashboard .equalify.app, which the root is just like a list of it's a table with all the URLs that are currently in monitor with their monitor ID. So yeah, that's pretty much just everything that's in the database right now. And then each of them has a detail link. And if you follow the detail link, you get like a little dashboard thing that shows the URL of the thing, the monitor ID, the qualified property, which isn't set in this particular case, but the created, last checked, next scheduled, and the interval at which it gets checked, all of those dates for all of those. It also has a panel for the similarity history of like recent checks that have been run on each individual page. So in this particular example, there's just one because it's just was not added that long ago, and it has one which is means that the similarity between the cached version and the fresh checked version yesterday at 11 p.m. They were equivalent. They matched 100%, so it would not trigger anything in that circumstance. It also has the sensitivity, which right now is not actually connected to anything. It's just at 0.95. That's the threshold at which it gets sent to the API endpoint. But right now, like presumably, once this is actually integrated into the app itself, you'd be able to adjust that sensitivity. It's just not hooked up for right now because this was just kind of a one-off thing. And then at the bottom, there's a window that has the full cache file that was pulled down. That's just HTML that you can look at, and this is just kind of handy for if you need to debug if like you can see what monitor actually sees when it's comparing sites against old versions. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for